Good morning. Today we are going to see conversion of non-standard SOP to standard SOP equation, right? So actually we are having a logical expression, or we can say switching equation, or you can say Boolean equation, right? That we have to see that whether that equation is in standard form or non-standard form. As I had already told you that in previous lectures, standard means what? We have to see number of literals in an equation, and if all the literals are present in each term of equation, then that time it is called as standard equation, right? And that equation will be is in the form of standard. And non-standard means what? If all the literals are not present in each term of the equation, then that time that is non-standard form of equation. So now today we are going to convert non-standard SOP equation, sum of product equation, to standard SOP equation. So for that, as I had told you that in standard equation, each term in the SOP equation should contain all the literals, right? So here how many literals are there? In an equation, 3 literals, A, B and C, that may be in the complemented or uncomplemented form. So how many terms are there? 3 terms are there, and you can see that in each term all the 3 literals are present. So that's why that equation is in the form of standard SOP form, right? So now next is what? This is the equation. So how many literals are there in this equation? Total 3 literals. That means 3 inputs are there, A, B and C. So here you can see that all the 3 literals are not present in each term, right? So that's why this equation is in the form of non-standard SOP form, right? So now what we have to do, we have to convert this non-standard SOP equation into standard SOP equation, right? So what is the process, right? So we have to follow some steps, right? That will help you convert this standard SOP equation into non-standard SOP equation into standard SOP equation, right? So now first step 1, find missing literal. In each term of the non-standard SOP equation. Whatever the equation given to you, in that equation you have to find out the missing literal, right? And after that, step 2, then and this term with its missing literal or with its complement. Right. Then step 3, simplify the expression to get standard SOP equation, right? So first of all, see that whenever you got a equation and you want to you are asked to convert that non-standard SOP equation to standard SOP equation. Non-standard means what? All the literals will not be present in each term, right? So what we have to do, we have to convert that non-standard SOP equation into standard SOP equation, right? So for that we have to carry out this first 3 steps, right? So first step is what? Find out the missing literal from each term, right? Then after finding out the literal from each term, what we have to do, just add this term with its missing literal. Whatever the missing literal is missing, that should be ANDed with the original term, and that should be odd with its complement, missing literal complement, right? And and after that simplify to get converted that expression into a standard SOP form, right? So these are the 3 steps which we have to carry out for converting a non-standard SOP into standard SOP. So now next thing is what, I'll take an example and we'll convert that equation in standard SOP form. So here given expression y equal to a b plus ac bar plus bc into standard SOP form. Now here you can see this is the equation. Given equation is what, y equal to ab plus ac bar plus bc, right? So now we can see that this equation is in the SOP form, since these are the product terms and these product terms are summed together to get the SOP equation, right? But this SOP equation is non-standard, since 3 literals are there in this equation and all the 3 literals are not present in each term, right? So that's why this is non-standard SOP form and we have to convert this equation into standard SOP form, right? So to convert this non-standard SOP equation into standard SOP equation, we have to follow 3 steps. First step is what, find out missing literal. So missing literal from each term, right? So here y equal to a b plus ac bar plus bc, right? So here in this equation missing literal is c. Here here b is missing and here a is missing, right? Now step 2, original term I will write first, then and means dot sign is there. Missing literal is c, odd with its complement, right? Plus again for next term, AC bar is the next term, and missing literal is b, odd with its complement. The next is BC, missing literal is a, odd with its complement. So this is the equation, right? Now we have to simplify this equation to get the standard SOP equation, right? So here I'll multiply this to this bracket. So here I'll get ABC plus ABC bar plus now AC bar is ABC bar plus AB bar C bar plus ABC plus A bar BC. Right, now next is what we just you can see that number of terms are repeating in this, so there are some Boolean laws, right, which we have to use to simplify this equation. You can see here that this ABC term is repeating in an equation, right? So here Boolean law is what, a plus a equal to single a, right? Means for this we consider ABC and for this we consider ABC. So ABC plus ABC is single ABC plus ABC bar plus, you can see that ABC bar is also twice, so that's why this is right at once only ABC bar, then AB bar C bar. This term is not repeating and this is also not a repeated one, so I will write as it is. So here now this equation will not be further simplified, right, since four of these terms are different from each other, right? So further it cannot be simplified. We can simplify it again, but what happens, that will not remain in standard SOP form and we want the equation in standard SOP form, right? So here you can see that 3 literals are there in this equation and all the 3 literals are present in each term, so that's why here we got the standard SOP equation, right? So this is the way of converting a non-standard SOP into standard SOP equation, right? First step is what, see in which form the equation is, whether it is in SOP or POS form, right? And then next thing is that see whether that equation is in non-standard or standard form, and if it is in non-standard form and it is asked to convert that equation into standard form, then that time we have to apply 3 steps. First step is find out the missing literal from each term, right? Second is what? You have to just and that missing literal or with its complement, and after that step 3 is simplify the equation to get the standard SOP equation, right? So these are the steps which we have to carry and we'll get the simplified equation. We will get the standard SOP equation.